It is something that has never been done in the lash industry before. Life is so hectic and our ongoing education really suffers. I mean, I would be so excited to be able to go to all of the lash conferences of the world. Yeah, that's not gonna happen, is it? Unless you have tons of money and you can travel whenever the heck you want to. But most of us are far too busy to do anything, or we have kids to look after. Ouch. But honestly, jokes aside, this is why the Life Lash Lesson Inner Circle was created. It's easy. Every month, you will get live lash or brow training within a secret Facebook group. The world's best lash and brow trainers, as well as industry experts, have come together in collaboration to provide you, the everyday lash or brow artist or salon owner, with ongoing education and keep you up to date with the latest trends, all in the comfort of your home. And that's not everything. As part of the Life Lash Lesson Inner Circle, you will also gain free access to the Lash Pro Vault, an online video library where lash and business growth videos have been collected since January 2016. So now you can train from anywhere, save money, and watch world-class trainers live. We really can't wait to welcome you in the Inner Circle soon. Until then.